Hi, my name is Gary Mitnick. I'm a sculptor here in Sedona, Arizona, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. We're over here at Artscape Bronze Casting in Sedona, and this is an example of a wax piece that has been taken from the clay. The original is done in clay. This happens to be a Renoir, which is it's a duplicate of one of the more famous pieces that he's done. And this is what the piece looks like in wax. Like I say, it was originally done in clay. And this is the beginning of the process. This is what comes out of the molds, which you see over here. And as far as the molding of the clay goes, I'll have Marshall tell you a little bit more about how the mold is built and how that works. Marshall, do you want to?
Okay. Here's how it starts. If this was an original sculpture, we would do what's called, to get it started, to make a mold, which is right behind us, we would do what's called claying up. Sometimes we actually have to cut them apart. Luckily, this didn't have to be cut apart. But what we do is we lay it down, build a clay shelf halfway around the entire piece, inside and out, all parts. And then we lay silicone rubber, catalyzed silicone rubber, on the clay shelf and on the piece itself, picking up all detail. Even your fingerprints can come out. Once we get that to a proper thickness, we put plaster, reinforced plaster, on the top. Once that's done, which takes about a week to do just one side, we flip it over, take the clay shelf off, and we build up another clay wall around it again, put a mold release on the rubber that's already been exposed, and then we lay more rubber on the back side. Once we get that to a proper thickness, we put more plaster on. So now you'll have a sandwich of plaster, rubber, sculpture, rubber, and plaster. Big old sandwich. Once the mold is set, that's about 2 weeks to make a mold for this. Week and a half if you're really rushing it. We take it apart. We give the original back to the artist. They can do with it what they want. What we'll do is we'll peel what's called the mother mold. This is the part that keeps it stiff. We peel it off, and we peel the rubber off, exposing the sculpture. We clean up any rough edges on the rubber and on the plaster so we don't cut ourselves or tear it. Make sure it looks good. And what we do is, once we take the sculpture out, we put it back together, lining up all registration marks. Put it all together. Now you look inside, and now it's hollow. That's the first time we remake the sculpture, is in rubber. It's a negative.